Hi folks, welcome to 21st video of the series. I'm going to explain you about create a generator to produce first n prime numbers. First I will explain checking if a number is prime number or not. Here I am defining prime number of n function. Inside this prime number we have a small function. In second line, using flag we are checking if a number is given number is prime number or not. First I will assume that given number is not a prime number, that's why I given false here. Then if number is, that is n, is lesser than 2, then we will return flag will return false, because we can divide any number from 1, that's why. Then else flag is equal to true. Other than 1, if a number n is divided by any number from 2, that will be considered as prime number, that's why I given here true. Then it will return flag. Then it will ask input from the user to enter a random number. Then we will perform this function. I given 5 as the input, then we got the output as true, because it is a prime number, that's why. Then here we are doing almost same thing, but it has small changes. Here assuming the same, the input number as false. If n is lesser than 2, we will consider that as the not a prime number. Then for I in range of 2 to n, if n is divided by completely divided by any number, then we will return that as true. Flag is equal to true. We will give true value to the flag. Then we will return flag as output. We got the output as false, because we given 8 as 8 number. 8 is divided by 1, 2 and 4, that's why it printed as false. So thank you for watching.